In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a size chart to your Shopify product pages using Metafields, without the need for any external apps. This method works particularly well with themes based on Online Store 2.0 or the Dawn theme. So, whether you're running a clothing store or simply sell products that vary in dimensions, providing your customers with an easily accessible size guide can significantly improve their shopping experience. To begin, let's talk about creating a size chart page. Now, this step is optional, but if you'd like to have a size chart as a pop-up or on a separate page for ease of access, it's a good idea to create one. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin and head over to Online Store, then click on Pages. Once there, you'll want to click on Add Page. Give this new page a straightforward title like Size Chart. In the content section, you can add your size chart, whether it's a table, an image, or text, whatever format best suits your needs. After you've input your size chart details, don't forget to save the page. This step is handy because it allows you to reuse the same size chart for multiple products later, ensuring consistency and saving you time. Next, we're moving on to creating a product Metafield definition specifically for the size chart. This is where we bridge the admin setup and the product detail page. So, start by going into your Shopify admin once again, but this time navigate to Settings, followed by Custom Data, then Metafields, and finally, Products. Here you will click on Add Definition. When setting this up, you'll have a choice of content types. Your choice will depend on how exactly you want your size chart to be displayed. If you prefer using an image file, like a PNG or JPG, you'll choose the File or Image Metafield type. On the other hand, if your size chart includes a table, along with rich text or images, use the Page Reference type. If it's simply a text or direct table markup, either rich text or multi-line text type will be your go-to option. Be sure as you set this up that you name it clearly, for example, Size Chart. Additionally, set the namespace and key to something easily identifiable, like Custom Size on Chart. Doing so ensures that you and any of your team members involved in store management quickly understand what this metafield is linked to. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a cohesive and professional size chart integration without relying on third-party apps. This added feature can really enhance the shopping experience, providing customers with all the information they need at their fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy